travel, visit the Corvin Castle. Corvin Castle was laid out in 1446, located in Hunedoara County, Romania. The castle was owned by the highest-ranking official in Transylvania within the Kingdom of Hungary. From the 12th century to the 16th century, appointed by the monarchs. Named John Hunyadi, in Romanian, Iancu or Ioan de Hunedoara, who wanted to transform the former keep built by Charles I of Hungary. The castle was originally given to John Hunyadi's father by the Sigismund of Luxembourg, King of Hungary and Croatia. It was also in 1446 that John Hunyadi was elected as the regent governor for the Diet. The Diet of Hungary, Parliamentum Publicum, Parliament General, became the supreme legislative institution in the medieval Kingdom of Hungary from the 1219 unto the successor states of the Royal Hungary and the Habsburg Kingdom of Hungary. Built in the Renaissance and Gothic style, the Renaissance architecture is the European architecture of the period between the early 14th and the early 16th century, demonstrating a concise revival and development of certain elements of the ancient Greek and Roman thought and imperial culture. Renaissance architecture is the European architecture of the period between the early 14th and the early 16th centuries. Well, 28 meters deep, this fountain was dug by 3 Turkish prisoners to whom liberty was promised if they reached water. After 15 years, they completed the will, but their captors did not keep their promise. The prisoner asked the last wish, and I quote, "The inscription on the wall of the will means, 'You have water, but not soul.'" A type of maze, after which it was named, by solely built for defensive purposes, its exterior decorated with geometric motifs. The castle also features a double wall for enhanced fortification, and it is flanked by both rectangular and circular towers. The castle Night Hall, rectangular in shape. The architecture is semicircular. The masters of the castle has modified its look, adding towers, halls, and guest rooms. In the castle yard, near the 15th century chapel, the chapel. The council hall. Largest castles in Europe, and the figures in the list of the Seven Wonders of Romania. The torture room. The dungeon. The Renaissance Gothic style and constructed over the site of an older fortification on the rock above the smaller Sasli River. The castle is a large and imposing structure with tall towers, bastions, inner courtyard, and myriad windows and balconies adorned with stone carvings. As one of the seven wonders of Romania, thank you very much and have a nice day. Mabuhay tayong lahat. Bye!